Good day everyone! For today's video ay ibabahagi ko po sa inyo ang magandang antioxidant na iniinom tuwing umaga for our empty stomach. So ito po yung mga sangkap. Kailangan po natin ng apple, carrots, parsley, and celery. Maganda po yan sa ating katawan para mailabas natin ang mga toxic na mga nakakain natin at malinis ang ating katawan sa mga chemical na mga ating nakakain, especially sa mga processed foods. Scan to subscribe! So guys, simple lang ang kailangan natin. Ang ating mga kailangan na sangkap ay ang parsley, celery, carrots, at itong apple. Yan. Bago natin gawin yan, kailangan explain muna natin ang bawat benefits ng apat na sangkap na ito. Parsley offers a range of health benefits due to its rich nutrient content and antioxidant properties. It's a good source of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate and iron. Yan po ang mga health benefits na makukuha sa parsley. Dumako naman po tayo dito sa celery. Offers a range of health benefits including its ability to reduce inflammation, improve digestion, and support heart health. It's also a good source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, contributing to overall well-being. Yan naman po ang makukuha sa celery. And carrots offer numerous health benefits due to their rich content of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, particularly beta-carotene, which the body converts to vitamin A. They contribute to healthy vision and a strong immune system, improve digestion, and may even reduce the risk of certain cancer. Tumako naman po tayo sa apples. Offer a wide range of health benefits including supporting weight loss, potentially reducing the risk of diabetes, and promoting gut health. They are also a good source of antioxidant and fiber which can help protect against cancer, improve heart health, and aid digestion. Nipis lang din po ang hiwa ng ating carrots. Pwede na natin i-shake. So, ayan. Kompleto na yung ating mga ingredients. At lagyan natin ng water. Hindi, ibinablog ko nga siya eh. Para sama-sama na yung mga kulay, guys. Yan. Ito naman yung aking version, guys. So, kukuha ko dito ng amount ng ating healthy smoothie, fruit and vegetable. Ayan. So, kahit mga 3 kutsara. Ayan. Then, lalagyan ko ng gatas. Yan. Yan naman ang version ko, guys. Para mainom ko lahat. Oh. Yung ganyan lang, guys. Tinitry natin. Cheers! Ano masabi mo?
Namumuo yung mga ingredients, guys. Pero maganda siyang lagyan ng gatas. So, sa akin naman, sa version ko, tubig lang.
Tubig sa version. Ako naman, guys, 80% na ano.
Pero kung may chance kayo, guys, no? Yung gawin nyo dito is, lagay nyo sa isang cloth, tapos pigain nyo yung juice lang i-extract nyo.
Pero masarap siya. Tsaka healthy talaga siya, guys. I-try nyo. I-try nyo rin.
Lagay mo yun sa ref, ma, kasi
hanggang maubos, no? Please follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. If you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe so that you are updated to our next videos. To those who wish to get a shout out from our video, please comment down below.